Hi, welcome to our life in the Philippines. I'm going to go downstairs and see how we can get some food cooked. I think my wife is working on something downstairs. Hi, hon.
Hello.
So what are we cooking?
The same, your favorite.
Yeah, I eat that a lot. But it's good. We got some fresh onions and we're sauteing some onions. Gonna make a little tomato cucumber salad. Shred some carrots in it. And we're gonna make us a little dinner when we do that. I think we have already boiled the potatoes. I'm gonna fry those later. So let's have a look at it and see. Yeah, there we go. There's some hot potatoes, steamy ones. So we're gonna chop them up and put them in the frying pan with a little Spanish red pepper and black pepper and a little salt. I think that onion is enough. Maybe. I think it's enough. You got a lot of meat? Yeah, what do we got here? Some pork, yeah. Yep. Right. So,
Yummy flavor. They have a lot of onions.
right. Yeah, the flavor is good when you cook those onions with the pork, so the pork gets super tender. You know, you shake it and it just falls apart. Takes about what, 45 minutes or so. So. Yeah, I think we have enough onions.
Then what else?
I don't know.
This one. 2 pork cubes.
Right, I bought 5, so you can hand them to me. I can stick the rest in the refrigerator.
So.
Yeah, by the way, this is shot with the little sports camera, so has a wide angle lens on it. So it's,
Start frying the onions and then pork.
right.
First, I need to fry onions.
Okay. That's gonna be yummy. I'm hungry.
Yummy.
Hungry. We're gonna follow the wife out here. Chasing her. I chase my wife all the time.
Yep. Is it open?
Yeah. Yeah, I didn't close it because I know you were gonna come and do it right away, so it's good.
Cooking oil, you need to put cooking oil also.
Yeah, a little bit. Are you gonna fry all the pork in that little pan?
Yes.
I think it's too small.
I need to fry it over there and then transfer from the other one.
Right, yeah.
Remember?
Yeah.
The one that heavy, what's the name of the pot?
Alright, so here we go. Here comes the onion.
Good, good, good. This is my cooking show.
Yeah, the wife's corner.
Yeah,
We're gonna put this one in the wife's corner tonight.
this is my cooking show.
You got some shells still left on this onion here, I think. Ah, that's all right.
Now I put the white pepper.
Oh, that's gonna be pepper.
White pepper. To make the smells good.
Yeah, white pepper always goes good with pork, actually.
And then salt.
A little salt.
Right?
Right. How's the onion coming?
Need to be,
Huh?
need to be more, like a golden yellow color.
Right. Oh, shit. There you go. Cucumber, red onions, tomato salad. Looks good. And now a lot of times we cut out the fat on these things. There's a lot of room for not very much fat.
Bakit? Papay ako ng pork. Asking me what did I do? Frying pork.
She is frying some pork.
So this is one of the finished product.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, it's not finished, but it's ready to get in the pan. Once this is done, then it goes into another pan with the onion and a little bit of spices, and it simmers for about 45 minutes and makes the pork tender.
Low meat.
Uh-huh. And there goes some garlic for it too, right? So
I will put this one later.
yeah, we all had a little cold here over Christmas, so that's one of the other reasons we haven't really published a lot of videos. But we're gonna start catching up here. We want to give our viewers and subscribers at least a video a day, so we're doing our best.
Doing our best.
Right, huh?
Yes, even my English is not good, so be proud.
Your English is very good. I understand you. And there we got the salad bowl ready to go. I think I'm gonna stick that in the refrigerator while we wait.
Sige na ba?
Okay, so you're doing the last bit of pork. Smells yummy.
Yes, for tasting.
Right. I don't want to get the camera too close so we get oil on it.
Yeah.
Splatters oil here. Peekaboo. All right. Onion waiting. Pot is waiting. That's the simmer pot. We're gonna stick it in there and let it simmer for a little while.
Then we will put water and then some ingredients, garlic, magic syrup, laurel, bilis,
Yeah,
and then pork cubes.
a couple of pork cubes for spice. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so now it's time for transfer.
Pork.
Transfer the pork in here. I actually learned this from a friend of mine. His name was Barry, and he could do it really good. We worked together for a couple of years, and in our internet business that I still have. but he passed away, and he was like 55 or so. Passed away, had cancer.
Onions.
All right, so let's see. Here comes the onions, and we just push them out on top. And by 45 minutes going by, those things are going to be almost melted, and it creates a really nice little flavor. And it's good. The sabaw, they say here, the sauce or the soup or whatever you want to call it, tastes really good. So I normally fry some potatoes and mash it all up, and here comes the garlic. How many cloves? 2 or 3? Okay.
Then
crush in the 4 cubes there.
4 cubes.
Push them down in the water.
Yeah.
And that will then
add bay leaves.
just a couple of bay leaves.
To make the flavors good. Then magic syrup.
Yeah. The magic syrup is a Filipino thing. That's something they use here all the time for seasoning. I think at some point in the U.S. they actually didn't allow or banned the magic syrup in the United States. I'm not sure about that. I think so. Of course, the last couple of years I lived there, I never saw it. But that doesn't mean they didn't have it.
So the times. What happened to?
No, you probably have to look at the clock. I think we need a battery for that thing. All right, put a glass lid on it and then just let it sit and simmer for a few minutes. 45, not just a few. 45 minutes. Okay, so what we're doing now, we're about preparing to fry the potatoes, right?
Yes. First, you need to cut onions.
And I already cut the potatoes. Alright.
Then we'll fry this one. Be careful with is enough.
Huh?
This one is enough.
Yeah, I'm sure it's enough. That's fine. Let's throw the potatoes in there and let it fry up a little bit. Frying pan is too small.
There's a big chunk
of potatoes. We're gonna go and get some Spanish paprika. It gives it a little color too, and a little flavor, so. Stir it up some, and then we'll put a little bit more on it. There you go. that's enough.
Then salt.
Yeah, well,
You know what?
let's not salt too much because we have a lot of salt on.
You know what? I always put this one when I cook this.
What is that? Basil?
Yeah.
Basil leaves? Yeah, that's good too.
I always put one.
And this thing is almost ready to eat. That pork is going to be tender. Well, you probably got some water or something in it. But it looks good. So that should be done in a minute. Doesn't take much. The potatoes are still warm from boiling. They're not hot, they're warm. And this just adds a little flavor to the potatoes.
You need to make it low.
Let's do this. That's low. All right. Yeah, that sounds good. All right, let's. Yeah. Just turn it. Just turn it clockwise. She's afraid for propane, but that's how you do it. You just turn it off, and that should be ready to go now.
Ooh, tender. Ooh.
It's all tender. Look.
Yeah. Ooh. Yummy, yummy.
All right, that's good. Let's eat.